Guys, it's SmartTech back here with another video. Today we are going to be installing unsupported apps, so basically the ones that show iOS 10 or later and you don't have an iPhone or iPad that supports that version. Now it's actually quite simple. And I think this is pretty easy actually. It's not hard, it's kind of easy, but you must make that app supported it in the past. So basically, if it supported iOS 9, like let's say in the past, then yes, it will work for you. But if it has never supported, let's say iOS 9, then it won't work. And plus, you must add that app downloaded before, so instead of shows that little like cloud, instead of pressing the get button, shows like this little cloud or something, like whatever. But anyways, let's get started. So first of all, you want to go onto sources, and you want to click on edit, and you want to click on add. And now you're going to type this in. So if I just go ahead, sure this is HTTPS, and you're going to do cydia.invoxi, and then you do play games.uk, and as you can see, so like this. Add source. And then, don't matter about these. Return to Cydia. Sure, I'll update these whilst I am here. And then, so basically, next, what you have to do is you have to go on to search and then search for Checkmate Store, and it'll bring up you with this. So you basically install it. You can see my device is compatible. Let's install it, and let's go ahead and click the confirm button. As you can see, it will download it now. I've got some other apps to update, so sorry about that. So we'll just wait for that. You can see now this should work, but I don't know if it actually works, but it should definitely work. But of course it will work. What am I even talking about? I don't even know. I think you have to restart, so you have to do the springboard stuff, If you're new, it could be a bit hard. Oh, well, it's a reboot device, so we'll just reboot it, and I'll see you when it reboots. As you can see, guys, it's finished, and now we're going to go to the App Store, and basically it restarted. And let's go ahead and download YouTube. Now what I'm talking about is, these little cloud buttons instead of the get buttons. This will work. For example, let's say if you're gonna go ahead and go on the get, see, it doesn't work because you have it downloaded it before. So let's say like YouTube, like this one, you can download it because it has this little cloud button. So we're gonna go ahead and do the download latest compatible version. And as you can see, it starts downloading. Now there is also a fix. I know there is also a fix for the pre-installed YouTube app that comes with iOS 5. There's also a pre-installed one that there is also a fix for it, but I do know how to fix it, but I might do a video on it soon. But anyways, as you can see, it's about to download, and boom, it's downloaded almost. It's downloaded, and then once it's downloaded, we can open it up. We open it up. Just cover some I know might pop up with my information on. Yep. I'll just use another account. Hold on. As you can see, there we go. And bam, it's working. You can see this is an old version and it's still working. There, everything's working. Let's click on a video just to check if it's actually working. Let's go this one, and yes, it works. See, so now you can clearly watch your video. Bam. And this is it, guys. That's how you can download old versions of, so let's say it says like iOS requires iOS 10 or later. This way you can do this method and you're gonna get this. And you can get YouTube and stuff and more. There is also, as you know, a YouTube, the old pre-installed one that comes with, I remember that old one that comes with a pre-installed one that on iOS 5. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's also a fix for that one. Let me see if I can get it, if it still works. Actually, never mind, I won't do it now, because now I have to go ahead and dual my device again. I will do it a bit later. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded a lot of videos. I've been taking a huge break because I really wanted to take a little bit of a break from YouTube and just sit back and relax for a few months. But I'm back now, and yeah, we'll see you later.